Alright, y'all. Today is Sunday, September the 28th. It's about 12:30. Just want to show you what I've been working on over the last week. So let me flip you around and show you here. Alright. All the suspension, everything is gone off the frame, as you can see. There's my stockpile of going to the scrap yard. Already got the power window motors out of both the windows because both of them worked. It's just the old hood, the fenders, core support, all the crap is going to the junkyard. Well, actually we're going to scrap it and get a couple bucks. Front suspension, we'll clean that all up, but that'll be ready to go in. But one thing real quick, let me show you something. It's a good thing I decided to do this and not keep up with this frame. See that? How that's moving? Crack right behind the front cross member. Goes through and all the way where the shock mount was. Broke. So, it's a good thing I didn't use this truck. But I'm going to show you what the real deal is here. There's the old bed and cab right there, but look at here. This is a patch panel they put in on this side of the truck. When I was flipping it over here, it cracked right there. I was like, wow, one very good welds on there. Well, let me flip it over here and show you something. We all see. No welds. All that bubble stuff right there. It's JB weld. No pop rivets, no weld, no Bondo. They JB welded it in. That's all they did. Let me walk in here with my sledgehammer. We'll hit the other side and I'll show you. It's gonna be kind of loud, but watch this. There's a piece I cut up for my gas tank on the other side, but right here at it is right about where they started. Watch it. See that it's cracking? See that? It's not welded. It's JB bond together. That's not even a weld. It's not Bondo. You see? It's cracking. All down through here. It's not even Bondo. It's not welded or anything. See that? Look at that. Comes right apart. See that? It's JB welded. I can't believe somebody would do that. I mean, I could take being overlapped with some spot welds or pop rivets or Bondo over top of it or something in that nature, but just a JB welded on there. I mean, they cut it perfect. It fit perfect, but then they just JB welded the whole thing, and I was like, what in the hell is going on here? I mean, I've seen some crazy stuff before, but that takes the cake. I mean, I know some people put chicken wire and newspapers and spray foam to fill a hole when they're trying to sell it, but nah, you don't do nothing like that, man. That's a side panel. That's crazy. But yep, we're gonna cut that up. There's the rear end for the blue truck. You got the reese hitch. There's the old small pump and all the brackets. Really none of that crap's any good anymore, but yep. That is where we're at on this Sunday afternoon. I think I showed you on the video before. I got the motor and the transmission. And that I was just going to put another intake on it and stuff. I go to order the it's a little kit you can get on Amazon or one of them websites. What it does, it blocks that off, that crossover tube that they have for the smog pump. Take all these old manifolds off, and degrease it up. Take the valve covers, the oil pan, probably take the timing chain and all this out, redo it, maybe put a little mild cam in it. That's the transmission. Has to be in a future video. I'm gonna get a rebuild kit, rebuild that sucker. But there's a gas tank. I got parts everywhere. Just gotta get it together. Get this frame cut up. Get these piles of just parts I don't need anymore. Get all that to the dump. And it'll be reassembly on the blue truck. So, to the next one, y'all. Y'all be good.